Welcome to Amy Kate's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a super easy meal with the crock pot. And we just have a couple of ingredients. We have carrots, onions, celery, some beef broth, and some beef ribs. So what we're going to do first is put the beef ribs into the crock pot. And next I have 2 cups of beef broth. And we're going to put that in the crock pot. Okay, then I'm going to put a tablespoon of oregano leaves in. And then I'm going to put about a tablespoon of garlic. And then you just need some salt and pepper. And now I just need to chop my vegetables and then I can add those to the crock pot. So this was about 7 medium-sized carrots that I'm putting into the crock pot. And then I have about 7 stalks of celery that I'm going to chop and put in the crock pot. And I also have half of a large onion. Now we're going to put the lid on and we're going to set the crock pot to high for about 2 hours and then we can check it in 2 hours. I did cook them on high for 4 hours and 1 hour before they were done I did chop up 3 potatoes and I put that in. And now we have a delicious meal of wonderful beef roast with potatoes, carrots, and celery. And I did use the beef ribs because they were on sale this week, but you could use roast if you wanted to. And now you can have healthy, delicious meals the rest of the week. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to click on the other videos and visit my other easy and quick meals, and have a wonderful week. Bye!